Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today I'm looking at items that I bought for eBay and Poshmark. A lot of people will ask me, how do you know what to buy? What do you do when you're looking to buy items? Well, I went to the store and I'm going to show you some of the items that I looked at and tell you what I did buy and what I didn't buy. Now, I saw this Oswald Lucky Rabbit tote bag, and I thought, Oswald, there's not a lot of Oswald out there, and it is brand new. Because of the condition in it, I bought it. Hope that I'm going to get about $30 for it. This one right here already sold for $42. I spent $6.99. It was different. Couldn't find anything like it online. I put it up for $50. I took a best offer of $42. I sold it within a few hours. So that was a good buy. This one right here, nope, it wasn't Disney. It was in poor condition, not great. I looked it up. Some were selling for maybe $30 in perfect condition. This one was definitely not. I didn't think I would be able to sell it, so I didn't take it. The next one, I love Stranger Things. I didn't buy this purely because it wasn't open. I couldn't tell if it was complete or not, and I didn't even bother looking it up because I couldn't get into it and I didn't want to rip it open. The next one was this. Now, I bought this and this was only $6.99. I thought it was a steal. It's in really good condition. Not perfect, but really good. And if I can't sell it, I'm going to keep this. That's always something that's in the back of my mind. If I can't sell it, do I want this? And yes, I liked that. So I did buy that. Now, I am big on shirts, especially sports shirts, but there are sports shirts that don't sell. They might have a name that's not big and the guy's retired. There might just be a lot of reasons. Might be that nobody wants this particular shirt for a lot of different reasons. So I looked each and every one of these up. I really liked that one. And if I was a Rays fan, I would have bought that one. I like the rainbow pattern, but it was too much money. It wasn't selling for enough. And this one, I thought, for sure, this is going to sell. Well, let me tell you, they were only selling for $5 online. Not worth it. Got to really check out your clothes. This one, I loved it. Vinyl. And it's a Disney. And it was only $4.99, but it was only selling for $11.99. Didn't seem worth it to me. I want at least $25. And same thing with this one. Gets the big X. Couldn't do it unless I'm keeping them for myself and I don't need another thing around. When it comes to Disney mugs, be careful because some are worth a lot and some are not. These, the condition was so-so, and there was 3 and there should be a set of 6, and they just weren't selling individually. I love this one. If I didn't have so many mugs already, I would have bought it for myself. It was $6.99. It was only selling for like $11. Not worth it. Love this. This is a Star Wars popcorn bucket, and they were only asking $9.99, and it's selling for $30, $40, $50. So I purchased that. This was a surprise. It was only $4.99, and look at what it's going for. The reason is because these are sold out and you can't find them anywhere. I don't know if it will definitely sell, but with that price, I've got to give it a try. Next was another mug. Nope, not doing good on mugs these days. Over here, this is an Epic Universe popcorn bucket, and I thought it was going to be great, but they wanted $25 for it, and it's selling $44, pretty new. This wasn't perfect. Put it back. The one mug I did buy, this was an Italy mug, and this one was only $2.99. I thought it was a steal, and it's selling for a lot more than the coffee mugs. This is great. Ghostbusters usually does really well, but you know what? All the stickers were gone. There was pieces missing. It was just no good. Had to put it back. And then I went into the ears. Love the Star Wars. Perfect for myself, but not worth the money. This bag, not a Disney. Very pretty, very cute. Somebody will want it for themselves. I believe it was $12.99. Wasn't selling for more than $20. Can't get that. This, I thought, hey, I opened it up. It was brand new. It was perfect. But look at the comp. It was selling for about $19 and it cost $12.99. Nope. Next was Ratatouille ears. This was the only one that I bought. It was only $2.99, I believe, and look at what the prices are going for. So I had to pick it up. I didn't pick up any of the others. I'll show you some of the other ones. These were not selling for that good. They were asking $14.99, and I think it was only selling for $12.99. This one, I love it. Really cute ears. I love the Rainbow Pride ears, but no profit there. This one we did take. Two reasons. One, there is a profit, was $4.99, and we can sell it. My friend needs to use a hat for work. She'll use it, and as long as she kept it in good condition, we'll sell it after that. And lastly was this figurine. They wanted $4.99. It's not selling for too much. $7.99, no profit at all there. So that's it. This is RockinRobin. I hope I gave you some ideas, some tips, some ideas. So when you go and you buy, you know what to look for before you decide whether to buy it. Well, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up. We have a lot of videos about eBay and Poshmark, so make sure you watch them all.